What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Cooking with me, Chef Quee. It's Cooktober, so let's make some juicy and delicious oven-baked chicken. Before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know, and let's cook. Alright guys, so let's get started. So I have my chicken thighs here. Now you can use whatever chicken pieces you would like. I just prefer to use thighs because they have more flavor. Now we're going to season our chicken up generously. So I have some Lowry seasoned salt here. I'm going to drizzle in a little olive oil to help our seasoning stick more. I'm going to go in with some garlic powder. Oregano. Now our bottle here says lemon and pepper seasoning, but I call it lemon pepper seasoning. Paprika for color, of course, and some Creole seasoning. We have all of our seasonings in, so with my clean hands, I'm going to rub or massage the seasonings into these good old chicken thighs so they'll be nice and flavorful. Also making sure I get all up under the skin as well. We got our chicken thighs nice and seasoned, so now we're ready for the fun part. In my cast iron skillet over a medium heat, I'm going in with some extra virgin olive oil and a little butter. Y'all, as soon as I added the butter in, I realized I added way too much, but it's cool. I let it melt a little and then I scooped the remainder of it out. We want our skin to be nice and crispy. We don't want it swimming in butter and oil, okay? So anyway, I added my chicken into my cast iron skillet, skin side down. We're gonna let this sear or brown for about 2 to 3 minutes. Here we are about 3 minutes later. We're going to flip them over and let the other side sear for about 2 to 3 minutes as well. Now again, y'all make sure your skillet is over a medium heat. I had mine over a medium high heat and I dang near scorched the skin, okay? After allowing the other side to sear, we're going to remove them from the skillet and set them aside while we finish searing off the remaining thighs. As you guys can see, this batch was much better after I turned that heat down. So now we're going to remove the rest of our chicken from the skillet and place them into your desired baking dish. we're going to pour all of that yummy fat all over our chicken, cover it with foil, and bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour. Then I'll remove it from the oven, baste the chicken, and let it bake for the remaining 30 minutes uncovered so it can fall right off the bone. Our chicken is nicely baked, so let's plate. Alright guys, that's it. Our juicy oven-baked chicken is complete. Whip this up for your next lunch or dinner, and I promise you'll be running back for more. Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to cook with me. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button to join the fam bam. Comment down below what you think of this recipe. Follow me on all my social medias, and I will see y'all in the next video.